Hello and welcome to Mystery Curtain, where we go beyond specs to reveal a gadget's true character. Today's episode will test durability, battery life, and real-world usability to see if this device can survive your daily grind. Samsung has just introduced the Galaxy Buds Core, a new addition to its true wireless lineup, and at first glance, it is easy to see why this product is generating so much attention. With a price tag of just around $40, these earbuds are positioned as one of the most affordable and accessible choices in the Galaxy Buds family, yet surprisingly, they pack a set of features that are often found in much more expensive devices. From the unboxing experience, the Buds Core arrive in a simple but clean white box, with the product image printed prominently on the front for easy recognition. Inside the package, users will find not only the earbuds and charging case, but also two additional sets of silicone ear tips in different sizes, ensuring a comfortable and customizable fit. In terms of design, the Buds Core inherits Samsung's familiar, rounded aesthetic, with each earbud compact enough to fit securely in the accompanying charging case. The case itself is lightweight and extremely pocket-friendly, designed to slip easily into a shirt pocket or backpack without adding bulk. It carries a minimalist finish with a Type-C port at the back, and a small LED indicator at the front to show charging and usage status. Samsung has kept the color options straightforward by offering just two versions, black and white, striking a balance between elegance and practicality, making the Buds Core easy to match with any style. The earbuds are built from high-quality plastic, but the finish feels solid in hand, and the lightweight construction ensures they remain comfortable even during long listening sessions. Despite the low cost, Samsung has not stripped away meaningful features, and this is where the Galaxy Buds Core become far more impressive than their price would suggest. On the audio side, the earbuds support ANC, SBC, and Samsung's scalable codec, which allows for reliable wireless transmission and stable sound quality, particularly when paired with a Samsung device. Audio performance is balanced, with bass that has enough depth without overwhelming, clear mids that highlight vocals and instruments, and bright trebles that avoid harshness, making the sound profile ideal for everyday use across music, movies, and calls. When connected with Samsung devices, the scalable codec further enhances clarity and reduces latency, improving the experience for gaming and video streaming as well. One of the most standout features of the Buds Core is the integration of Galaxy AI, which brings real-time translation and note-taking capabilities directly to the earbuds. This transforms them from simple audio devices into functional communication tools, especially useful for multilingual conversations or international travelers. Alongside AI features comes active noise cancellation, a technology rarely seen at this price level. The ANC system effectively cuts down ambient noise, helping users stay focused during work, enjoy music in crowded spaces, or take calls in noisy environments. Touch controls are also integrated directly onto the earbuds, allowing users to pause or play tracks, answer calls, or switch sound modes with a simple tap, all without needing to pull out their phone. Connectivity is handled by Bluetooth 5.4, ensuring quick pairing and consistent stability, and the Galaxy Wearable app unlocks deeper customization for sound, tuning, ANC levels, and other preferences, offering a more personalized listening experience. Battery life is another area where the Galaxy Buds Core impresses, delivering up to 35 hours of total playback when ANC is turned off, and still offering around 20 hours with ANC active. For a pair of earbuds priced at $40, this endurance is exceptional, reducing the need for frequent charging and making them a practical option for long workdays or travel. Fast charging support also means that a short charging session can quickly restore hours of use, minimizing downtime. Altogether, the Galaxy Buds Core manage to combine a sleek and compact design, solid build quality, balanced audio with codec support, active noise cancellation, AI-powered features, reliable connectivity, and long-lasting battery life at an incredibly low price. They do not chase flashy aesthetics or bold colors, but instead focus on a balanced design philosophy that makes them versatile for the majority of users. At just $40, the Buds Core are not only one of the most affordable options in Samsung's lineup, but also one of the most surprising, offering value that challenges competitors in the true wireless space, and proving that advanced features like ANC and AI no longer have to come with a premium price tag.